Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing a review on Zeelool eyeglasses. So Zeelool was kind enough to send me over 6 pairs of prescription eyeglasses, and I did use my actual prescription because I do wear glasses and I am blind. So I received the package in the mail, and it has all of these really cute frames, and I just wanted to share this with you guys because if you are like me, if you like to accessorize with your eyeglasses and kind of being able to change them out easily without spending that designer cost on a pair of eyeglasses, in my opinion, which is not worth it. So I'm going to be showing you guys some affordable eyeglasses that is going to be able to pull all of your looks together and have you looking fly. Okay guys, so when you receive your package in the mail, it comes in this blue Zeelool box. Oops, upside down. It comes in this blue box, and inside it's packaged very nicely and snug. So it comes with the eyeglasses just inside of the box. They each have their own little terry cloth to clean them with and a storage pouch. So that's great that you can have that, and you can always just throw your glasses in your bag and not have to worry about them getting scratched up. No bulky case. So I really do love that. Like I said, I did get 6 pairs of glasses. So we are going to go ahead and get into these glasses. Okay guys, so the glasses that I'm wearing right now, they are actually called Tandy, T-A-N-D-Y, and they are this light tortoiseshell situation with the clear bottom, and these were actually on sale for $9.95 and they were originally $25.95. So I was like, you know what, I love larger frames and I don't have any this big, so I was like, let me give this a try. And I love these, like I'm obsessed. Like it's going with my outfit. I'm looking cute. So I really love these, and I'm gonna make sure that I link everything down below in the description box if you guys are interested in any of these glasses. But yes, let's get into it. They are very beautiful. Okay guys, so for the next pair of eyeglasses, we have the frame Trinity, and these are also a very oversized frame. Very pretty, and they all came with this protective wrapping on it so that they won't get damaged in the shipping process. I don't know if I mentioned it already, but these glasses were $25.95, and they are this beautiful tortoiseshell frame, and it has kind of like this very muted mauvey pink color on the arms of the glasses, or whatever you call these things. But I just thought these were super cute, and I'm like, oh my goodness, I can't wait to get these because I know that these are going to be so great for the fall time, just pairing them with all of my cute outfits. So I am really excited for that. Oh guys, let me tell you something. When I just put these glasses on, it went from blurry to clear. That is how blind I am, and I'm not even kidding. Like I can't see. So here they are. These are the Trinity, and they are very stylish. Like it's given executive bay. What do you think? I love these. I'm obsessed. Very cute. Very cute. Very. Okay, so for the third pair of glasses, these are actually called Ophelia, and these were also $25.95. And these ones, you guys, these are a wild card. This is like not something that I would typically go for an eyeglasses, just because it's very bold, and I feel like I like to stay kind of classic. But when I seen these, I was like, they're just too cute and too fun to pass up on trying these out. This would go great if you just want to have like a really fun outfit, or a basic outfit, and you just want something to pop. So these are the Ophelia ones. I mean, how cool are these? They're like this turquoise, lavender, brown, beige. It's just very beautiful. Very nice, guys. Good quality as well. Very good quality. And you cannot beat the price. Wow, I'm blind. This is crazy. This is crazy. These are fun. Very wild card. Like, you know, if you just stepping out there, you stepping out of your comfort zone, these are a super good frame. And I also wanted to mention that Zeelool hooked me up, okay? They sent me 6 pairs of eyeglasses and they all have the blue light shield blocker in them, so it's amazing. So if you are someone who has a lot of screen time and you know you want to protect your eyes, you are able to add on that additional add-on for your glasses, which is great because I work from home and I need some kind of protection from that blue light. So I love them. And I do notice that it doesn't have like a really bad glare, so it may even have like a little bit of anti-glare in the lenses, which is awesome for when you're taking pictures or you're doing videos or you're not getting too much of that stuff on your, just kind of like picking up in the camera. But I love these Ophelia ones. What do you guys think of these? All right, moving on. So for the next pair of frames, I have the lenses and they are called Malcolm. Here we have Malcolm. Very nice. I mean, stunning. Very classic, very classy as well. Very large frame. Like, I'm really into this look right now. Having larger eyeglasses. Well, let's try them on, shall we? I do like these. I really do like these. Very nice, guys. The quality, amazing. I really am super excited about all of these frames. I really love these. Very nice, just brown. I can't tell if it's like a tortoise shell or if it's just like brown lens, but I really do like it. Love these. Love this for me. Yes. Okay, guys, the next frame is called Corals, I believe. Very cute. These are actually like a very funky, cool pair as well. These are, let me take the film off. These are this beautiful pink frame. It's like a, I can't explain the color, but it looks kind of two-toned, and it has like this gold framing, like the metal part inside of the lens. And when I seen these, I was like, oh snap, these are very cute. Like, again, just one of those very fun pairs of eyeglasses that you can dress up or you can dress down. But I thought these were very playful and girly, so I was just like, why not give it a try? These were actually on sale. These were $7 at the time when I got them. Oh, I'm obsessed. I love these. These frames are really, really nice. Very good quality. Really love these. Very impressed. Like I said, I'll put all of these glasses down below in my description box. Make sure that you guys definitely check out Zeelool. And we have one more pair of glasses, and these ones are a little masculine, but also they can be unisex, but I thought they looked very studious, so I said, why not give these a shot? So let's get into the next pair of glasses. For the finale, we have our last pair of glasses, and these ones are called Malloy. And like I said, they are very studious. You know, if you're just one of those smart little cookies, like, you know, if that's the look you're going for, these glasses are definitely the vibes. But again, it's very classic. It reminds me of like old school, like the glasses that the old folks used to wear. And they're so pretty. See, I thought that they were gonna feel a little bit more masculine than this, but these are very nice. Very nice. And it has like this tan, it's like brown, and then it comes down to a tan color. I mean, I'm very impressed. Really, really love these frames, guys. Just chef's kiss. And these ones were actually the most expensive. These were $35.95, but I feel like that's still very affordable for a pair of eyeglasses that includes your prescription. So you can't beat that. So lastly, there was a PD ruler that came inside of the package. So basically, if you're needing to measure the distance in between your eyes so that you're able to find the correct size glasses for you, they put this in there, which is really handy for you in the future. You'll be able to know what you need to order. And lastly, they sent me this little coupon, which was very nice of them. Awesome. If you guys are interested in any of these frames that I reviewed today, be sure to look down in that description box below. Like this video, subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and thank you guys for tuning into another video.